The Inspector General of Police, Egbetokun, don warn against bad behaviour for inside Naija Police force. E say new time of discipline and accountability don start and e go begin with the police mobile force. Oga Kayode tok dis one wen e dey address squadron commanders of the police mobile force for Abuja. The IGP say police force don turn new page, one wey go dey built on discipline, professionalism and new commitment to their main values. Oga Kayode con recognize all the sacrifices wey officers dey make across the country, especially the ones wey dey fight insurgency and violent crimes.
Even more concerning is the persistent misconduct of a few individual officers, despite the repeated efforts by the leadership of the force to enforce professionalism on such assignments. These unacceptable behaviors have not only discredited the force, but have unfairly overshadowed the wonderful service of countless other officers. This must come to an end. Let me be on Egbetokun. Moving forward, indiscipline and misconduct within the NPF will no longer be tolerated. Today marks the beginning of a new era, one defined by accountability, discipline, and a recommitment to our founding values.
E still wan say the mantra of the mobile force don spoil because too many officers dey work as VIP escorts and private guards now. E tok say from now on, all PMF squadron must get at least one combat-ready unit wey go dey standby and make sure say dem dey do training every 3 months on ethics, professionalism and better work. E say dem don order commanders to withdraw their men from any work wey dem no approve. The IGP tok say if anybody no follow dis order, dem go get serious wahala.
As you are aware, directives have already been issued concerning the withdrawal of PMF personnel from authorized deployments. It is the duty of all commanders to enforce this directive without delay. A plan for gradual withdrawal from non-core assignments is underway. Currently, squadron sizes will be reviewed and reduced to ensure operational effectiveness and agility. From this moment, PMF commanders will be held vicariously responsible for the conduct of their personnel. You are expected to lead proactively through regular lectures, inspections, and localized training programs that reinforce discipline, respect for human rights, and operational excellence.
But the IGP still tok say because of the rising security wahala from insurgents, bandits and separatists, the mobile force go continue to work with the military and play better role to defend national security. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosinwa, TMC News.